people are hungry, not just for food, but for hope, for love, and for truth. This June, the sound of salvation will rise again from the streets of Port Harcourt. Date 15th June 2025. Venue Choba Junction, Port Harcourt. Theme Kol Yeshua, proclaiming the sound of salvation. Through music, we will proclaim Jesus and preach the gospel. Through sound, we will reach out to souls. This is more than a concert. It is revival, healing, and Jesus on the streets. Come and be a part of something eternal. Share the flyers, invite your friends, show up, and let's make Jesus known. And if the Lord lays it in your heart, support us. Every seed you sow helps us to bring worship to the streets with sound, materials, and care. Together, we can make Jesus known. You can support us using these details: 708-519-6847. Pampe Opeyemi Oluwatoyin Precious. Thank you for giving, and thank you for doing this with us.
The people are hungry, oh. The master